For a lot of you, that last section may have been a little disconcerting. So I want to include a script on your CD, which is js10c.htm, in which I utilize the math round function. The math round function is very important because it allows us to truncate after a certain number of decimal places. And this is how I utilize that function. I take the answer that I got, in this case difference, or in this case down here, I have division, or the result called molt here. And I've multiplied those numbers by 1,000, and I've rounded them off. I basically truncated them after the decimal point. Then I take that result, and I divide that result by 1,000, and that returns a number which has a maximum of 3 decimal places. MathRound is a built-in JavaScript function, and it's very, very important for this function as well as others that you use the capital M in math. Math actually is an object in JavaScript, which you can call through different types of functions. There's a lot of math functions in JavaScript. If you get yourself a book which lists out all those functions, you can see that there's quite a bit of flexibility that you have in doing standard types of mathematical operations. So instead of going through all the typing, etc., I'd like you just to look at this and make a note of it, and I'll show you how the script actually works. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to drag the HTML document into Internet Explorer here, and I'm going to type in a few values, and these are going to be random values. And notice that I'm exceeding 3 decimal places here. And sure enough, all of the results that I obtain through this script using the math round function give me a maximum of 3 decimal places. And if it's not needed, for example here, under dividing, it actually loses the 0 here. So it doesn't give you necessarily 3 decimal places, but it certainly will if it needs to.